Bonjour, fellow travelers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to explore the enchanting streets of Paris? Before you pack your bags and say oui, oui to croissants and the Eiffel Tower, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover 10 essential tips to make your Parisian adventure magnifique. Buckle up and let's get rolling. 1. The best time to visit: spring, April to mid-June, and fall, September to November, are ideal. The weather is mild and tourist crowds are smaller. Plus, you'll catch stunning cherry blossoms in spring or colorful foliage in fall. 2. Language barrier. While many Parisians speak English, learning a few basic French phrases goes a long way. Try bonjour, hello, merci, thank you, and s'il vous plaît, please. 3. Dress code. Parisians are known for their chic style. Pack versatile, comfortable clothes in neutral colors. Don't forget a stylish scarf, it's a Parisian staple. 4. Public transportation. The metro is efficient and extensive. Get a Navigo pass for unlimited rides on buses, trains, and the metro. It's cost-effective and convenient. 5. Museum passes. If you plan to visit multiple museums, invest in a Paris museum pass. It saves money and time by allowing you to skip long ticket lines. 6. Dining etiquette. Dinner is typically served later, around 8 p.m. Tipping isn't mandatory, as service is included in your bill. But leaving a small tip for exceptional service is appreciated. 7. Pickpocket awareness. Like any major city, be aware of your surroundings and keep valuables secure. Use anti-theft bags and avoid flashing expensive items. 8. Sunday closures. Many shops and restaurants are closed on Sundays. Plan accordingly and use this day for parks, museums, or exploring neighborhoods. 9. Eiffel Tower visit. Book tickets in advance to avoid long queues. Consider visiting at sunset for a magical experience. Or try a nighttime visit to see the twinkling lights. 10. Packing essentials. And don't forget, comfortable walking shoes, universal power adapter, reusable water bottle, light rain jacket, travel-sized umbrella. There you have it. 10 things to expect before visiting Paris. With these tips, you're ready to make the most of your Parisian adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Au revoir et bon voyage!